Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can hide columns in your sheets and dashboards on a Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. All right, so navigate to your workspace or your project workspace here on Smartsheet. Let me go with this workspace here. After that, expand that workspace items list here to access the given sheet or dashboard. So let me go with this one here, untitled sheet. And here, guys, what you want to do next is access the table view by clicking into that arrow down icon and by selecting table. And in the last step, guys, go through your table for the given sheet and select the column you would like to hide. So let me go with this one here, modification date. So what you want to do is simply right click into it, for example, into its column name here, and select hide column from that menu here. And there you go. As you can see, that column has been hidden. Now, if you'd like to unhide it or restore it, guys, click into that small space between the last column here and that plus column icon here. Right click into it. And after that, select unhide column or select all, unhide all columns. And that is going to restore the hidden column, as you can see, with the modification date. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it. And we'll see you next time on our channel.